Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use the Zona Music Generator. In order to do so, here we are at zona.app-vision.co. However, when you come here, you're going to find that you can't actually make any music here, but you can get redirected to the App Store or to Google Play. And that's what you're going to want to install in order to be able to create music with Zona. So whether you're on iOS or Google Play, you're taken care of. Head over there and get started with the Zona AI song and music generator. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Cintra. Cintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you and your business succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Cintra, and if you click on the link in the link tree, you can get 60% off your first month subscription to help you get started. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the link tree, you can get $50 to open an account, and if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank, comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.